Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Are you a new student here?
Yes, I am. My name is Ali.
Nice to meet you, Ali. I'm Ayesha.
Nice to meet you too, Aisha.
Is this seat taken?
No, please sit down.
Thank you. What are you reading?
I'm reading an English book.
Oh, that is good. I'm also learning English.
Aisha, what time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
That is very early.
Yes, I like the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I am a lazy boy.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and drink milk. What do you eat?
I eat fruits and drink tea. It is healthy.
You are right. I should eat fruits too.
Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't. I walk in the park every evening.
That is a good habit. I also walk in the park.
Aisha, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
Let us eat something. What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich and cold coffee.
Okay. I will have a burger and hot tea. Here is your sandwich and cold coffee.
Thank you. How much money did you pay?
Don't worry, it is my treat.
That is very kind of you. Thank you, Ali.
You are welcome. Aisha, what is your hobby?
I like to listen to music. What about you?
I like to watch movies and play cricket.
Really? I also love cricket.
That is great. We should play together someday. Aisha, what are you doing tomorrow?
I'm free tomorrow. Why are you asking?
I want to go to the beach. Do you want to come?
Yes, I would love to. What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay. Where should we meet?
I will pick you up at your house.
Perfect. I'll be ready.
Okay, I should go now. My mother is calling me.
Okay, Ali. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too, Aisha.
Hmm.
See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.